Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on VIVO V60 Lite. Alright, to create a backup we need to open up the settings. Now scroll down until you find System Management and now click on Backup and Restore. When it comes to the VIVO, we can only create a backup using the Google, but in my personal opinion it's one of the best possible ways to create a backup, so I'll show you how to do it. Now click on Backup Data. Make sure that when you click on Photos and Videos and other device data on the backup details, that they are all turned on right in here. Make sure it's enabled. Click on Allow. Now we can get back. Okay. Make sure that both things are enabled. And now we need to know on which Google account we are currently creating that backup, because the backup will be saved in the cloud. And if you want to restore that backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account to restore it. So to check it, click on Other Device Data, and in here you have your Google account that you are currently logged into. Also, make sure that you have some free storage space on your account to create that backup. When it comes to the backup details, in here you have a list of things that will be backup thanks to the Google. So it will be SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings, apps and app data. Now, all you need to do to create a backup is to hit this green button. Now the process will start. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, and now you can see that in here this circle appeared and it's going slowly to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created, so I'll see you once it's done. Okay, now the process has finished, and under other device data we can see that the backup has been created 0 minutes ago, so it means that everything went successfully, and now our data has been backed and it's stored in the cloud of our Google account. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.